Welcome. My name is Markus. I'm the developer of Tone 2 Electra, Gladiator, Icarus, Vanguard, and many other well-known YST plugins. Icarus ships with an inspiring collection of over 2000 hand-picked sounds, created by professional designers. Each sound has been crafted with love and attention to detail. You can access the patches in two different ways. The first one is with the main interface. In the left top area you can see the patch category. In this case it's arpeggiator, and below that there is the patch name. Left and right next to the patch name there are small arrows. If you click on these arrows you can quickly select the next patch.
Music. I'm a slave to the music. I am so sexy.
Make me fly so high in the sky.
Get ready to lift off.
If you click on the patch name, you can see all patches of the category. In this case, these are all the vocalic patches. The second way to access the patches is the patch browser, and there's a button on the top left of the interface. There we click on patch browser, and here you got a row with categories. We'll load some atmosphere. Or some drum loops. Next to the patch name you can find 5 little stars. These stars are the ranking system. If you like a patch, you can give this patch 5 stars. If you dislike a patch, you can give it 1 star. The default is 3 stars. This makes it easy for you to find the right patch quickly. If you want to create a new patch from the scratch, click the Init button. It is extremely easy to create own patches in Icarus 3. All you need to do is click on the random button here. Unlike other synthesizers, the random button doesn't just load a random patch. It creates a new patch from the scratch, including new wavetables, arpeggiator programming, effects, and modulation.